Welcome to MMC 3403. This short video is about how to write a good journal essay assignment. Every week there is a journal essay assignment that comes at the end of the unit. This should be started after you've read the material, done the quizzes, and looked at all the other material in the assignment. The journal assignments are typically located at the bottom of the unit folder. Here, for example, is Chapter 1 Journal. You open that up. What you find when you're opening it up are two things. First of all, there is a folder that has the instructions for creating the journal assignment, and that's what I'm going to go over today. But you can open that up and read it at your convenience. The second thing is a journal assignment in itself. To do the journal assignment, first of all, you click on the link Journal, and it opens up the Journal Forum page. To create the journal assignment, you push the link Create Thread. This brings you to a page. First of all, on the page is the journal assignment itself, the questions, so you could keep it in front of you while you're writing. And then below is a text box. First of all, write your name and the journal assignment, okay, and spell it correctly. And then in the text box, you write your journal assignment. Now, a very good, thing to do is, first of all, write your journal assignment as a Word document, and then copy and paste it in here into the text box. And that way you can do a lot of corrections and a lot of cross-outs and so on before you actually place it into the text box. Once you place it in the text box, you go up here and you click Submit. Alright, now another part of the journal assignment is commenting on other students' essays, and I'll talk a little bit more about that. But first I want to show you how to do that. To comment on another student's essay, first of all, you opened up the essay. I'll open up mine, for example, and then you hit the reply button. This will give you a text box. Now, after you've read the other student's journal essay and have some ideas of how you want to comment on it, you write your comments in here and then click Submit. Okay? And that will post your comments along with the other student's assignment. Now, the second thing I want to talk about is how to write a journal assignment. And for here, I want you to go to the document, Getting a Good Grade. The second part of this document is about how to get a good grade on writing a journal assignment. It points out there are three major aspects about writing a good journal assignment. First of all, there's content. All right. First, I want you, first of all, to use English 101 and 102 speller, grammar, structure, sentences, and all that stuff to make it a well-written assignment. In terms of writing the assignment, ways that you can improve your content to get a higher grade is to refer to the course material for that unit. That is the concepts, the theories, and the researchers that are discussed in the chapter. Also, even better yet, if you want to cite specific pages in the chapters to support your ideas. Now, an important thing is that I really like for you to have opinions about what you read. However, there is a difference between opinion and what you would want to say is an objective argument based on the evidence. All right, so there are times when your opinion is asked for. There are other times when I really want you to show that you know the material and you are sort of presenting it. All right, a second thing is the length of the assignment. All right, in order to get at least a C, you need to write at least 250 words. To get a B, 300 words. To get an A, 350 words. Now, if you just write 350 words, that does not automatically mean that you'll get an A, because I look at the content as well. So it's important to note that 350 words is the minimum length in addition to good content for an A. Another part about writing a journal essay is evaluating other students' essays. As part of your assignment, I want you to read two other students' essays and to make comments about them. And the comments you can make can range and can include a number of things. First of all, how the student can improve their essay, basically if they have bad spelling or bad sentence structure or it doesn't make sense. On the other hand, you can also look at what they wrote and comment. Does this adequately reflect the material in the chapter? Does this make a good argument? And then also you can ask questions about a student's. For example, here I have two examples of questions saying, well, based on what you wrote in your essay, do you think that attitude change theory would apply to new digital media technology? Or maybe give another example. All right, I want you to really sort of look at the student's essay and engage the student in a very productive kind of discussion. Again, the key points is, first of all, how well did they answer the question? Did they use good examples? Did they use the correct concepts and terms? Did they leave anything out? Was it well organized? And did they make comments that you felt that really were very good or not very good? And I give some examples here of what are some good comments and bad comments.